Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng headband. Try natin gumawa ng headband din. Gagawa tayo ng 17. 17. Hindi maganda itong hook ko. 17. Yan. Hindi nakukuha lahat. Yun. 17. 1, 2, 3. Gagawa ng 17. 4. Gawa ng do 17. Next, this one we made 17. 17 and then chain 1. Turn this one here. Make single crochet 1, 2, single crochet to here. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You turn again, single here. Make 4. And then chain 1, double. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa fifth one, 5 here. Yan. Ay, double. Yan. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain 2. Double crochet the same hole. Make another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, and then chain 1, single. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Yun. Then single crochet here. 2, 3, 4. So to make it like that. Then next, chain 1, you turn again, then 1, 2, here, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 here, 1, and then you turn like that, Then here, the first is 1. Put your hook there. Then make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, and then proceed here, here, here. This one, this side. Go to this side, put your hook there. Make 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So to make it like that, and then proceed here. 1, here, 1 single, and then here, single, 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 like that. And then the front side will be like this. One more. This one is 3, and then we're going to put 1 more here to make it 4, like that. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You turn again. Yan. Here. 1, 2, 3. Here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4. Then chain 1, double crochet here. Double, 2, 3, 4. Then chain 2, make 4 the same hole. Same hole, 4. Then last one. Then chain 1, single, here, here. Two, 3, and 4. Then you're going to do the same, repeat the same procedure. Then we'll just do the same procedure, just like here. Then chain 1, turn, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, here. And then turn here. The first here, here, put 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this side here. Okay, put 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 1 here, 1 here, and then here. 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. 4. 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Turn. And then like this. Then you do the same procedure to your desired length. See you later. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa last. Kasi mahaba na. It's already okay. Then, here, yung gumawa tayo ng ganon. So, then turn. Again, we're going to make single crochet. Single. Single. Single na. Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng ano. Start single. Single. Hanggang dito to here. And now we are here. So we are going to connect it here. Do it like that. But we're going to chain 1, then turn. This one is the right side, and this is the back. So we're going to do it like that. Like that. So we're going to put it at the first stitch. Like that. Do it in every stitch. Like that. Here. Okay. You're going to do it all the way here. The last part. Here. Then chain 1. Pull. Cut. I don't have my scissor here. Then cut. Cut. And pull. And turn. Like that. See? Okay. And then you turn it that way. And here is our, this one I will insert. I want at the back. Okay. here. And here is our headband. Headband. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.